Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Nikita Menezes, and I'm working as a product specialist in ZKTeco. Today I'll be conducting an online training session for the inBio PC series and DE10. inBioPC series is our new launch primary rack mount controller. And along with the DE10. This inBioPC controller, we have it can support up to 4 doors as well as 8 doors with the DE10 units. This is the look of the primary controller. Like I mentioned, it can support up to 4 doors as well as 8 doors with the D10 units. What is inBio PC series? inBio PC series main controller is our new launch rack mount controller. So it can support up to 4 or 8 access points via 10 D10 door units. It has high-speed TCP/IP and with built-in Wi-Fi web browser for easy setup. It supports PoE connected to door units. It has advanced control features with dynamic QR code via ZKBio CV security app. It supports multiple authentication methods and ZKTeco ANC push protocol compatible. Global voltage support of AC 100 volt and 240 volt, secure data with HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, AES 256 and TLS 2.0. Supports Wigand W26, 3466 and RS485 readers, and it is standard 1U rack mount design, which is easy for installation. This is the inBio PC 400. It has up to 4 PoE ports. And this is the inBio PC 800, which has 8 PoE ports. What makes it better than the other controllers? inBio PC 800 redefines the access control by introducing a solution that's far superior than the conventional systems. In particular, conventional solutions require that each subcontroller get its own power supply, making installation costly, inefficient, and time-consuming. The inBio PC 800 addresses this challenge by adapting power over Ethernet, where the power is delivered over the same Ethernet cable. So as you can see in the diagram, we can connect up to 8 D10 door units over an Ethernet cable, and it will be powered with PoE. The traditional controllers require like exponential cable length for multiple doors. They require separate power sources for electronic locks, RS485 readers, and additional peripherals. This leads to higher electrical infrastructure cost. Also, it leads to cluttered cable management and intrusive wiring. You can see here like the how many cables are required, and we need separate like power for the locks, sensors, button readers. So in case of the new PEC controller, so all these devices can be powered through the DE10 module, which in turn gets its power from the inBio series. This is the schematic diagram of the traditional controller. The rack mount hybrid biometric PoE controller, as you can see, this can be installed on a rack. And rack mounting is efficient and convenient for multiple units, reduces the cable cost and it's easy wiring. And it supports PoE and PAC at 30 watt, which reduces the energy cost. Also, this device, we can configure and check the device status via web browser or through the mobile app. So all you need to do is, after the device is connected to power and it's connected to network, open a browser and log into the web browser by entering the address, which is the IP address of the device. For example, HTTPS 192.168.1.201, and enter the web server account. The default admin, username and password is admin. And similarly, you can bring your mobile phone near to the device, and after the device is connected to the power supply and the network, and the cell phone is closer to the device, then only by the device serial number and while owning the hotspot of the device, you can click on the serial number of the device, and you can log in with the username and password to configure the settings for the device. So this is the look of the inBioPC 800 series. So we have the indicators, which is power, run, land, fire, auxiliary in, auxiliary out. And we have the door status indicators. So the door status, if the green light is on, means the door status is online. And if green light is flashing, means online door status sensor is open, and green light off means it's an offline status. As you can see, the indicator light shows the device working status and the door status. The access control terminal, it has two auxiliary in for fire alarm, two auxiliary in, one for fire alarm, one for alarm sensor, and two auxiliary out for alarm. And we have the USB port, which supports the upgrade of the firmware. Then we have the Ethernet interface. So one LAN for communication to the software, and four or eight PoE for door units to connect the DE10 modules. And then we have the power interface that supports 110 to 240 volts. So the features of inBioPC series is that it seamlessly integrates with D10 door units, supporting up to 8 access points, supports high-speed TCP/IP communication for efficient data transfer. It has an embedded onboard web server, is available for system configuration and is accessible via Wi-Fi. Complies with IEEE 802.3 at PoE and PAC at 30 watt standards to power up to 8 D10 door units, is equipped with advanced access control functions for enhanced security, supports dynamic QR code generation with ZKBioCV security mobile applications. It supports multiple credential options, including biometrics, RFID, password, QR code, is compatible with ANC push protocol, operates with wide range of input voltage range, supports high security data encryption methods, supports WiGAN readers, and like I mentioned, it is designed for one U server rack size. So, inBioPC combines various benefits for users, offering ease of installation and central management. Centralized intelligence. inBioPC 800 acts as a central intelligence hub in the access control system. It handles all the core processing, authentication decisions, and data storage. This centralized intelligence approach streamlines data analysis, allows for more effective threat detection, enhances response capabilities, and ensures consistent execution of security policies. Then advanced authentication option. inBioPC 800 supports wide range of authentication technologies. This include biometrics, fingerprint readers, RFID cards, passwords, dynamic QR codes. Whether the end user organization opens the door with a touch of a finger or a scan of QR code, the inBioPC 800 can do it for them. This also helps the user seeking a hybrid system that combines legacy WiGAN readers with the advanced biometric and QR code solution for a gradual transitions to modern access technologies. Ease of development. As mentioned, the inBioPC 800 utilizes PoE to deliver power to the subcontrollers via the same networking cable. This eliminates the need for complex wiring and significantly reduces the installation time and cost. High security standards. The inBioPC is designed with cybersecurity in mind, with the support for advanced encryption methods like HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, AES 256, and TLS 2.0. The inBioPC 800 ensures that the data is at rest and in motion are well protected. So this is the specification of the inBioPC 400 and 800. So as you can see, we have this onboard visual indicators. Then the operating system for the device is Linux, and the hardware is CPU dual core 1.0 gigahertz. It has a RAM of 128 MB, a ROM of 256 MB. The method it supports is the card, password, fingerprint, and QR code. And the onboard access point, like I mentioned, for the inBioPC 400, it's 4 access points, and for the inBioPC 800, it's 8 access points with D10 door units. And then the fingerprint template capacity, it supports up to 4,000. The card capacity, it supports up to 40,000. QR code capacity also, it supports up to 40,000. The user capacity is 40,000. The transaction capacity is 200,000. Like I mentioned, the number of units is one auxiliary input and one fire. Output is one auxiliary out for the relay and one for the alarm. Then it supports ZK fingerprint version 10.0 algorithm. And the maximum card length it supports is 66 bits card length. So it supports dynamic QR code with ZKBioCV security application. The communication is via TCP/IP and the Wi-Fi for the web browser access. And these are the standard functions: web server, then 14-digit user ID, access level, access group, holidays, anti-passback, anti-tailgating linkage, global linkage, and multiple verification method. The verification speed for the fingerprint is less than 0.3 seconds. The power supply, it supports from 800 volt to 240 volts. The operating temperature is from 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity is from 20 to 80%. And the supported software for this is ZK BioCV Security. And the installation is rack mount or wall mount or desktop mount. The housing material is SGCC, and the certification which it has is ISO 14001, ISO 9001, CE, FCC, ROHS. So we'll be moving on to the next topic, which is the DE10 professional door unit. So what is DE10? So DE10 is a state-of-art PoE door controller unit which meticulously is designed for seamless integration with the primary controller, the inBioPC 800. This unit is equipped with a comprehensive suite for access control interfaces, including connection for electric locks, door sensors, exit button, auxiliary inputs and outputs, tamper detection, two IGAN readers for both entry and exit, RS485 card and fingerprint readers. The D10 operates exclusively in conjunction with the inBioPC 800, which functions as a central data collection hub. The D10 itself does not store or process data. It transmits all the collected information to the backend system for processing, ensuring secure and efficient data management. The inBioPC primary controllers is equipped with 8 PAC interfaces, enabling the connection of up to 8 D10 door units, thereby facilitating the control up to 8 doors. This scalability makes it an ideal option for both small and large scale access control needs, offering flexibility and robust performance. So the features and configuration. So one door access point on board provides a dedicated access point for a single door. Compliance with IEEE 802.3 PoE ensures compatibility with power over Ethernet and standards for efficient high-speed TCP/IP communication. Facilitates data transfer from to the primary controller, which is the inBioPC 800. Extensive interface support includes connection for electric locks, door sensors, exit button, auxiliary power and data transmission, inputs, outputs, WIGAN readers for entry and exit, and RS485 readers. So this is the DE10, the diagram. So as you can see here, so the PoE port, it interfaces, this port is used to interface with the inBio series, and the output current is less than 1.5 ampere and can support the door unit normal working, and like two WIGAN readers or two RS485 readers, and electronic lock which has less than 800 milliamperes. And then the power out is from the D10 connected to the inBio PC series directly via PoE. The lock interface, lock sensor exit button. Then the reader capacity is, as you can see the diagram, it's two RS485 readers or two 26, 34, 66 bit WIGAN readers. And for the auxiliary, there is one in, one out, and one tamper. So this is the D10 features and specification. So it also has an onboard visual indicator. Then the authentication methods is done through the primary controller. So it has onboard one access point. So it can be in, reader out. It supports two readers. And yeah, and the number, you can see the number of inputs, the number of outputs, and the communication is via TCP/IP or RS485, and these are the auxiliary inputs and outputs. The standard functions is the access control expansion. The access control interface is a WIGAN card reader, and for RS485, it is the card, fingerprint, and QR code reader. And the power supply is power over Ethernet. The operating temperature is from 0 to 45 degree. Operating humidity is from 20 to 80%. This is the dimension, and the supported software is ZK BioCV Security. And this installation can be wall mount. The housing material for this device is aluminum alloy. The certifications are ISO 14001, ISO 9001, CE, FCC, and ROHS. So this is the schematic diagram of the DE10 controller. So as you can see, the lock and the door sensors, the readers are tamper, detector, fire are connected to the DE10, and there is one single cable, PoE Ethernet cable, which is going to the inBioPC 800 primary controller. And from this controller, it is going to the switch, and from the switch, it is going to the software. So this is the installation diagram. So as you can see, it's very easy to install. It's a rack mount device. Also, you can use this device for installing on the wall. Okay, thank you. This is all for this one. So now we'll be showing you how the device looks. Okay, as you can see, this is our D10 door unit. So this is how it looks. It's a lightweight device. So you can see over here, so this is where the lock, the sensors, the push button, the readers, the reader in, the reader out, the tamper, and the auxiliary in and the auxiliary out. And this is the PoE interface, which will be directly connected to the inBio series primary controllers. And this is the inBio PC series controller. So as you can see, it has up to 8 ports, which can support up to 8 D10 door units. And this is the USB for upgrading the firmware. So this is the auxiliary out, auxiliary in, alarm, and the fire in ports. And in this, you can check the door statuses of all the 8 doors. And this is to check the status of this device, the power, run, land, fire, oxygen, auxiliary out. These are the visual indicators. And this is the power interface of the device where the power adapter will be connected. Okay, thank you everyone for joining us. So if you have any doubts or if you require any pricing, you can email us at the below email which is given here, or you can contact us directly. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you all.